After saving up and searching, we finally found our dream home. The house was built in 1952 and is on over an acre of land. There are fixes, both large and small, that are needed, but after building the tiny house, we feel that this is the level of renovation we can handle. With the help of some extremely skilled and professional septic designers, electricians, and we are well aware of the work ahead, but all we can see is her potential. Once we saw the tree out front and the holly bush in back, we knew we found our house. This begins the packing journey. Some of my favorite painting books. Wow, that's a really smooth tape experience. Oh man, that's a little too smooth. Why are you like this? Maybe this was smooth. Oh, that's better. Okay, that wasn't the best first one, but I knew it'd be a while until we'd be opening a lot of these boxes, so I actually made a list for the first time of what was generally in each box. So I just labeled each box with its number, wrote the room that I wanted it to eventually be in, and the general contents. It's either more work now or more work later. Let's just do more work now. Let's keep going. So this is my underfloor storage for some of my paints, some of my Color Aid, handmade oil paints, some of my doodads. Just got back from an adventure. So I got a bunch of boxes from the library, and I think tomorrow I'm gonna go, got some gorgeous new Shaw's, and get some more boxes. We're moving out in less than 2 weeks. And I still haven't packed most things because there's just not that much stuff in here, and a lot of the stuff that is here we just need. Red. Ooh. We've got, I mostly need small boxes because my paint making stuff is like super heavy. Just get tape in. I've just assembled the few boxes that I've got to start with. The hard thing is that it's like you do one thing and then it's like, where do you do anything else? It's both exciting and sad to clean up all my paint making supplies because it just means that I won't be using them for the next few months, but then it also means that when I open this box, I'm gonna have an amazing painting studio. So I'm very excited. People like grab boxes from you when you're moving and they're like, what's in your rocks? And I'm like, no, literally, it's just like full of rocks. Let's do it. Hello. I want Dan to open this one because it's hilarious. Oh, it's so cold. When we wake up, it's really, really cold. The pipe froze. The wood stove would barely turn on. It was so cold. Yeah, it's just been really, really, really cold in here. The hard part about waking up with no heat is that you have to be the one to create it. And so our house gets below freezing when we wake up when it's -degrees outside. It's gonna be a good day. Gonna warm up. Keep getting the wood stove going. I'm only gonna be here for a couple of hours because I've gotta go to the Y and shower and work out, and then I'm going to work. It's so cold. Let's see. Yeah! Oh, I'm so happy. Good go, little guy. It's gonna be okay. Thank God. Mission, keep it as warm as possible in here. Has been good. Oh, the tea is ready. It's the warmest pants ever. Come on, you can do it. Time for more tea. With somebody tonight. I always thought he was saying I'm an arms dealer. Steals people's arms. Dirty chai time. I do like half and half, like an espresso and then my chai and then just some steamed milk. I don't do anything fancy. I I don't do any latte art or anything. I'd love to learn how to do it with almond milk. I feel like when I see people do it, they're like, whole milk. And I'm like, I have the milk of a little almond. Oh my God. It's been a hot minute. We've had a lot of drama with the house where we didn't know if we were getting it. There was just, yeah, it's really stressful buying a house and in this market and just the way things are. But we are closing in 2 days and we are, there's still things going on that are stressful, but we are actually comfortable packing now. So I had kept a lot of sewing stuff out because that was sort of the last art form that I was letting myself have in here. Not pack everything, but I was like, I can't have no art stuff out. And pack away my scraps and my serger. The old girl. Oh boy. Things have escalated.
Look at my outfit.
Hello. You look great. What's been going on? Give us an update.
I don't know if I can. It's changing too quickly.
Yeah, we've had quite the stress of changes with all of our moving things, but
we're doing it and we're happy and positive.
Ryobi, you are not the main attraction. He's like, I am the subject and the enigma.
I have always been the subject. Like very deep. I have to chisel down some of the...
I have always been the main storyline. Look at his little hat. He's so cute. Hey.
Lyra, you have the same hat.
You and the
See
baby.
that?
Oh, he's also a baby.
All right. This keeps taking longer and longer. We were going to be moving tomorrow, and then they told us today that it has to be a week from now, and we said no thank you, but it's going to be on Friday instead. So now we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to prep. So I'm here, I'm packing, I'm sort of organizing, keeping things going here, and he is at the storage unit, and he is moving in all the boxes that I packed already, and he's trying to consolidate stuff in the storage unit.
Hello.
Okay, this is pretty awesome. Oh
Pretty
yeah,
good.
we're doing good. This is all of our worldly possessions, except for like
Pretty much.
3 boxes of games.
We're feeling good. It's actually our 7-year anniversary tomorrow. We'll be together full 7 years, entering year 8, moving into a new house. So it's very exciting. With everything going on, I'm not sure how much we'll have time to do for our actual anniversary, but I'm hoping we'll at least do something.
Aw, so cute.
Hilarious. I made this turtleneck, and then I did embroidery on this sweater. Time for packing. It is all in here the best I could, so on our way. It's so magical in here. Am I the only ones that think these just look like little white cheddar? Pirate's booty if it was very, very pale. I have made some progress. Oh, she's sexy. She's just a little rough with her. These jabronis still have quite a lot to take out, including a giant ass armoire and all these chairs. I don't mind these two. These are fine. Does he come with the house? I am here to serve the lady of the house. My lady. This, bad. We could never have done this without the support of the Legacy group. Joe, we owe you our lives. Pack up the last things from the house and bring them to our new house. Oh boy. Ever wonder how you fit a queen mattress into a tiny house loft? Well, this is how you get one out.
got it. I wrestled it.
It's just starting to snow. As always, things take 2 hours longer than we think they're going to. It's officially, we're moving out. Tomorrow we're really like officially moving out, but we are taking everything out right now. Ryobi, baby.
Ryobi, what's up? I got you through living there in the cold and in the heat.
What's up, baby?
This is not an ad.
They're twins, but they're very different personalities. We drove to our new house in a full-on snowstorm and a mattress on the roof rack.
I am here to greet you.
Gaston!
I am Gaston, your house familiar. This is like what we do in the shadows when Colin Robinson hasn't been there.
But there's a cool castle up there.
Okay, here's the thing.
Built in. I got pasta sauce in the milk.
So I already gathered a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna deal with that tomorrow.
Hello! Okay, my mom's here.
Why would anyone want this trash?
Look at you go.
Yeah. Horrible thing with a yellow background. We literally just pushed it.
We like gently pushed it.
This almost crushed me. Okay, after taking out a bunch of their stuff and piling it in here from throughout the first floor, look at how much better it looks in here. Look at the backyard.
So pretty.
And then, look at this. Look at that. Look at it. The lamp did not last long.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you taking me from my place of birth?
Okay, now we just have to get all of our stuff. Oh, you know, we said we weren't gonna have time, but we brought in the tiny house, no problem.
Made all these giant ass paintings.
What kind of crazy lady?
Bathroom selfie.
You can see. I can't see.
That's hilarious.
Oh my god.
This is unbelievable.
Too dirty
No, can't do it.
Too dirty to clean.
My mom has lovingly been saving these plates for me, and now that I finally have a place to put them, I get to enjoy them every day. This will one day be our gaming dining room, so for big board game nights, stuff like that. So this was a perfect start.
All right, this painting and this painting are off to the gallery.
Like the percentage of you should be putting on a helmet together.
It's fun to see the wood stove and the fireplace. There were a million of these little blue rocks filling this.
Boy,
This could be used as a haunted house soundtrack.
it literally sounds like it.
Oh! So, the hidey hole full of books and books and books and books and one VHS. And we're like, I wonder what the VHS is. Wonder what it could be. Probably gonna be something super interesting.
Now that this is cleaned, it's still like gross, obviously, but this was all black and now it is white again. So be a temporary setup for where we're gonna keep our clothes, just so we can hang something.
I think it looks good. And all Dad's scrubs, which I just washed and dried, are right here. These are a little wet. Like I said, I don't know how to use a dryer yet, so. End of the day. There's only so much mouse poop you can clean.
This is the start of my new series, Making Home, where we will be transforming our new house room by room.
So then I can go from room to room. The painting girl's here.
We'll be taking everything we learned from building our off-grid tiny house on wheels.
Alright! You did it!
Each room will be lovingly designed and brought together, making sustainably minded choices with many handmade elements. I've already begun making several pieces of art, large and small, for the house.
I'm really happy with that stain. He's gonna be so pretty. Ah, she's so cute.
We have some big dreams and ambitions for the space. We've already seen the house transform in the last 2.5 months, and I can't wait to share what we've done so far. Vibes. Ah! Thanks for coming along. See you soon.
Bloopers.
I literally washed one dish, and now I'm already wanting to smells. I don't want to wash the dishes.
Oopsie.
Welcome to my fine collection of treasures. Here we have an ancient rug full of unspeakable diseases and galoshes for walking in the room as it's filthy.
So, what do you feel about the lights?
I think they're really nice, and they really like me as well.
Isn't
As much
it?
as I like them.
I may have not exactly taken your height into consideration accidentally.
That's okay.
Oopsie. Okay, we're gonna replace that. That's my bad. But what do you think of this one?
Oh, that's so cool. Oh